Now coming to the next question, that PA and PB are the tangents. Find angle POA. POA. These two are tangents. This is radius, so this angle will be 90 degree. I just now told you that this line bisect this angle, means these two angles will be equal. If complete angle is 80, so this angle will be 40. So in triangle PAO, 40 degree plus 90 degree, 40 this angle, 90 this angle, plus angle POA comes out to be 180 degree. So POA is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, that comes out to be 50 degrees. So angle POA is 50 degree. And coming to the next question, prove that tangents drawn at the endpoints of the diameter are parallel. Suppose if I have a circle, they are saying that tangents drawn at the endpoints of diameter. Let's say AB is the diameter and tangents drawn at A and B. We have to prove that these two tangents are parallel. Radius and tangent angle is 90. Same here, this angle is also 90. Let's name the tangents. What we have? Angle PBO is equal to 90 degree and angle YAO, this is also 90 degree. I am taking these two angles. These forms pair of alternate interior angles, and we studied in 9th class, if alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel, means PQ, this implies PQ parallel to XY. Simple. And this is question number 4 from your exercise 10.2. Coming to the next question, what we have? Two concentric circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. We have two concentric circles like this. Concentric circles means their center is same with a common center O. Find the length of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Let the chord of larger circle is AB and it touches the smaller circle at point D. Touches at D means it will be tangent for the smaller circle. So join it with the radius, make radius, this angle will be 90 degree. What is the radius of smaller circle? 3 cm. Radius of larger circle is 5 cm. From here in this triangle, can you find AD by using Pythagoras theorem? 5 square is equal to 3 square plus AD square. So AD square is equal to 25 minus 9. AD comes out to be 4. AD is 4. Can you tell me DB? See, from the center a perpendicular drawn to the chord will bisect the chord. So if AD is 4, DB is also 4 cm. So total length of AB will be 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeters. This is also a question from your exercise, question number 7. Now coming to the last question of today's lecture. This is question number 8 from your exercise. What is given? That ABCD is a quadrilateral. It circumscribes a circle. Circumscribes means circle lies inside the quadrilateral. You have to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. As you can see in the figure, AP, AS, BP, BQ, CR, CQ, DR, DS all are tangents to the circle. To prove AB plus CD is equal to AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Always remember, whenever you are getting these kind of questions, always look the left hand side. What we have? AB. AB is formed by AP and PB. So can you tell me what is AP equal to? AP and AS both are tangents from point A. So AP will be equal to AS. Next, AB will be formed with the help of AP and PB. So PB is equal to BQ. Similarly, CD is formed by DR. DR is equal to DS. And RC is equal to CQ. Reason is same for all. Tangents from external point are equal. Now we have to add them all. AP plus PB plus DR plus RC is equal to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. Now tell me what is AP plus PB is equal to AB plus DR plus RC. DR plus RC gives you DC. On the other side, what we have? AS plus DS gives you AD from these two. BQ plus CQ gives you BC. Hence, proved. So based on this, I will give you some homework. I will put the homework in the assignment section of your SMDP app, plus one worksheet is also there. So you have to prepare, do all the questions. Some questions of the worksheet, only 10th S is written like here. This question is to be done by 10th S students only, not by 10th M. Rest all the questions are to be done by both the classes.